Indian skipper MS Dhoni was at the launch too and enjoyed sharing his thoughts of Tendulkar and much more in a freewheeling
I
conversation.
think for me it was always Sachin.
I think I should get Mahi to speak about Sachin, because this is really an evening to celebrate Sachin's 100 hundreds. And when you really think of it, 100 hundreds are a lot of hundreds.
Well, my first view of Sachin was way back in. It's so back that I don't even remember the year, but I think it was 2000, 2001 season or 1-2 season. We were playing the Leap Trophy, and I was part of the East Zone team. I was serving the drinks really well for 2 games, and Sachin was playing that game. That game was in Pune. So we didn't interact in that game, but fortunately, I was fortunate because I was able to see Sachin bat and score 199 odd runs. I was going in with the drinks and he was batting at that point of time. And I gave the drinks to my colleagues, and finally he asked me, "Excuse me, can I have a drink?" So that was a big moment, coming from Ranchi. I never thought I'll be able to meet Sachin, ever in life, and it was a time when I was offering a drink to him. So I think that was my first glimpse of him.
Can I ask you, Mahi, what is it like? What is your memory of captaining Sachin Tendulkar for the first time? I'm sure when you were captain for the first time, it was you were nervous enough already, and then you were asking Sachin Tendulkar to go field in a certain position. What was that like?
Well, there are 2 things to it. Still, even now, I'm a bit shy when it comes to talking to Sachin outside the field. Inside the field, it's still good. The reason being, as I said, the Bangladesh tour, we didn't interact much. But after that, we had a series in India. We were playing Pakistan. Vizag and Kochi were the first 2 games. Kochi was first and Vizag was second. And I remember Virupa got a big century in the first game, and Sachin, I believe, got 5 wickets in that game. So, whenever he was supposed to come for a bowl, he would come to me and ask me, leg spin dalu ya off spin dalu? Ya seam up dalu, mix up karke dalu? So, that interaction really made me comfortable. And from that point, it was important that whenever he asks me something, I have to be well prepared for the answer. And the crucial thing was, like if he said off spin dalta hu, and I had to at times say, no, I think leg spin will work better. But, the very fact that he made me so comfortable that I was able to do so. So by the time I was made the captain, which was way late, in 2007, close to September or October. So I think by the time I was easily very comfortable with him when it comes to talking to him on the field. Out of the field, I'm still a bit worried.
Because that begs the other question. There are difficult times in a cricket match, especially when you're captain. And I'm sure you get a lot of inputs from all players. Has there ever been an occasion when Sachin Tendulkar has come up to you and said, maybe we should try this bowling change, and you've said, no, I'm going to stick with my way?
Well, quite a few times it has happened, and the good thing with Sachin is he'll come up with idea, and you so no Paji, from behind I'm feeling it may not work, and that's the comfort level that we have got. And the best thing is, in 1 over's time he'll come up with another idea. And that was the good thing, not only with him, with all the other seniors also. When Dada was there, or when Lachu Bhai was there, Anil Bhai, when he was the captain, he was bowling, and at times he would be like, let's bowl round the wicket for a few overs. And I would say, no, I think this is working better, let's try it out. So I think that was the best part, where there was nothing called ego in that part, where the seniors come and say, let's do this, and from behind as a keeper, I'm like, no, I think this is working better, as far as the batsman is concerned.
But you haven't taught him the helicopter shot as yet. Now, Sachin Tendulkar has a lot of shots. He plays every shot, but you have to start teaching him how to play.
No, I think he played it once in IPL or in that 200 in Gwalior. I'm not sure which game it was.
Just to show Mahi that he can do that as well. And as you write, you're just very happy that he doesn't keep wickets, because if he starts keeping wickets, as you write, ये आपके पेट पे लात मारेगा वो.
पेट पे लात नहीं मिसाइल पर.
The other interesting thing is you make a mention of all the all the seniors who've had input. So you might as well ensure that Sachin doesn't think of retiring or anything of that kind, because all the seniors are gone now, and the only wise counsel it seems now left in the squad is Sachin Tendulkar.
Well, yes, a lot of cricketers have retired, but that doesn't mean, the inputs are not coming.
Yes.
If you see, a lot of them are still involved in commentary, and, I mean it in a good way, That's a big laugh, but...
I noticed Akash had a big laugh, a smile on his face. What connects do you draw between someone like a Sachin Tendulkar and Mahendra Singh Dhoni in your experience of having come from a small town, having seen the rise of a player such as MS Dhoni and the influence that Sachin's had on his life?
Yeah, it's been really overwhelming. To be very honest, when I started writing the book, when the idea came to my mind, I never thought of, like people like Mahendra Singh Dhoni will be writing the 100 chapter, or Rahul Dravid will be, commenting, or VVS Thakur, because all these cricketers, great cricketers, we have admired. Whatever we may say on TV on the day when they perform, but we all know that we admire them, So most of the times they have to say, "Yaar, fan ka chola jo hai mat pehno, journalist to journalist ki tarah behave karo."
The other interesting facet of this was that he was responsible in some ways in that decision of you becoming Indian captain. His inputs were important. What was that like for a young man who was in the, you said 2 or 3 years and becoming captain of India, and the endorsement of India's greatest ever cricketer? What was that moment like for you? Whether they made you captain or not was not important. It was Sachin Tendulkar who thought you were India's next captain.
It was a big compliment for me, even if they would have not made me the captain, still coming from Sachin, it is a big compliment. And I think it had a lot of, what Sachin said, maybe because of the honest opinion that I gave him from behind the stump, or the time that we batted together. Initially I batted quite a few times with him, how we read the game, what I learned from him, or how quickly I learned, maybe those were the readings because of which, Paji recommended me. So I think I'm really fortunate, and I think honesty paid for me, because I've never been someone who would say yes, especially on the field, just for the sake like, okay, yes, do it. If I'm not convinced, and if I feel the other way around, I would say it, okay, let's not do it, this may not work.
Can I ask you, Mahi, one question before I actually get people from the audience to ask you? You're someone who people believe out. There's a lot of opinion about you. One of the opinions about you is you don't have a lot of friends in cricket. That most of your friends are outside cricket. When you finish playing cricket, do you see yourself being friends with Sachin Tendulkar?
Friends?
Yes.
That's a difficult one, because like I said, I feel very difficult, talking to him outside the field, unless it's about cars and bikes. And now since he joined the territorial army, I can, talk to him about the fighter planes.
That's mostly what guys need for a friendship, cars and bikes. I'm sure the girls are out of the way now. Yeah, so.
No, but I think that aura that he has, I'll find it very difficult.
Rajiv, one thought before we ask the audience for some questions is there's eerie similarities between them. There's a calmness, there's a tehrav, as they say in Hindi, I think that's the word, about both Mahi and Sachin, which is just so impressive.
I think the most important thing in life is to be calm in whatever.